So I have this Rilakkuma light, and I was kind of inspired to make a little nail art of him. So I'm just going in with my Gel X, my little tip. Gonna prime it with the Après primer. Don't know if that really does anything, not sure. Then I'm gonna take this really pretty purple. I'm gonna do one coat of that, and then I cure that for a minute. I take this really light lavender sparkly gel, and I do one color of that, taking a little bit of light brown, mixing it with a darker ginger brown, and I just add a little bit of this crazy top thick gel because I want kind of a 3D effect, and I just mix those all together. I also add a little bit of white off camera, and then I'm just gonna add his little head. I'm sorry I was so out of frame doing this, my apologies. I just kind of cure that a little bit before I put it in the light so the gel doesn't move anywhere. And I just add little parts of his body. I go over it with the gel twice just to add a little bit more thickness. And then I take this like mustard color from Presto and I use that for the ears. Ew, I should be wearing gloves. My skin looks disgusting. And I'm a nail tech and I should be. Ooh, I'm using white here. Just drawing his little body. Oh my god, I don't know the gender of this character. I'm sorry if this is a she, he. I'm so sorry. And then I'm going to use a black to draw the little face. And I'm just going to use my favorite non-wipe top coat. My bottle looks gross, don't be like me. And that's the final product. Hope you guys like it.